Hi there, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel and welcome to my latest online prize draw. Today it's a beast of the kit, the mighty Sikorsky S-64E Sky Crane firefighting helicopter in 1/35th scale from ICM. This is a kit for which many model makers have been waiting ever since the first of the CH-54 helicopter series was released back in 2023. This firefighter includes a fully detailed water tank and has a total of 559 parts. When complete, the kit will be just over 77 centimeters long. Now, to be in with a chance of winning this amazing prize, all you need to do is head off to my online partners raffle. The link is here, as is a QR code. A clickable link is in the information box below. Once you've registered, you'll be able to buy tickets for the prize draw. These are £1 each and there are multi-buy offers available. Tickets are available right now and will be on sale until midnight at the end of Saturday, 12th of September 2026. At that time, independently and at random, Raffle will select a winning ticket. I'll get in touch with the winner by email, so do make sure your email address is correct when registering. I will then arrange to ship the prize to you no matter where you are, entirely at my own expense. Yes, they have in the past gone to the USA and even Australia. As well as supporting the channel, you will be supporting the bravest of our community, as 10% of the revenue will go to Models for Heroes. A link to this very excellent charity is below as well. So there it is. If you do enter the draw, I wish you the very best of luck. Thank you so much for watching today, and goodbye.